So here I'm gonna go G00, X30, Y20, and then both axes are moving. And now I'm gonna go back to home. So G00, X0, Y0. I don't want to write G28 in case it doesn't work for the video. And now they're both going back to their home, which is the position it was at when I started the program. This is my little control board that I made with my Arduino. Just a breadboard for now. I'm going to buy some PCBs. And then the drivers with the power supply. And yeah, there are the steppers there and there. And then I have a 3-phase motor, and I'm getting the VFD tomorrow. Little Orac.